again. Look what I got at Dollar Tree. So, you know, I've done these giant eyeballs. That was a successful experiment. And then there was the, oh, I need to go get it over here. There was the hideous mutant giant eyeball pumpkin. And that was a very successful experiment. I'll let you see him again.
Like a train wreck. You just can't look away.
But now I am going to make the ultimate hideous mutant giant eyeball. And with that, I will rule the world. So let's get going.
We are doing it now.
Mustard? You think I'm insane?
This smells about ready. Okay, it stays. It's staying.
Oh, oh, now this is the ultimate hideous mutant giant eyeball.
That's what you're talking about?
Because you can't have it!
And take a look at this. Oh, we gotta see how it looks in the dark.
I'm feeling dark vibes.
Let's turn the light off here. Oh, yes. And with this, the ultimate hideous mutant giant eyeball, at last, I will take over the...
Audrey, what are you up to now? Audrey!
Okay, well, maybe not this year, but I'll see you guys next year.
Are you excited? Get excited.
Get excited now.